when I'm talking sight birds, our pointer or our flusher comes up. You're running down the field, bird starts moving, our dog has to maintain their integrity and has to maintain their training, all right guys? So what we had there was Maynard came in, he established a nice hard point. Then what happened? Bird got up, started moving. What did Maynard do? Readjusted, started working on his bird, didn't put any pressure on it, okay? He allowed the hunters to get in range and we could have made a good clean shot.